social media platforms. I have over 170,000 followers. And if you want to get into content creation, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite gadgets to get started with content creation. My name is Candace Janae. I'm a digital marketing automation strategist and full-time content creator. I've been a business coach for years to entrepreneurs. I pivoted from business coaching and now I'm a full-time content creator. And so these are some of the things that you can use whether you're an entrepreneur or you're a content creator and influencer. Your phone in and of itself is a really important resource for you. You can get started with content creation with your phone. All right, first things first is a microphone. What's really cool about this microphone is that it has a little clip attachment that you can have. There's so many similar ones that you can find on Amazon, but I'm gonna link some of my favorite ones in my Amazon storefront. You connect it to your device. So whatever your device is, you just plug this into your device and then it connects. You just make sure you turn it on, because I'd be forgetting to do that. Turn it on, and then when you turn it on, you'll see the light blinking, and then you can get started talking, and then it'll hear what you're saying. Another one of my favorite tools, this right here, this is one of my secrets to getting really quality content, especially for food content. So I'm gonna show y'all some of my food content. It be looking lit, it be looking cute, it be looking good, and I be hungry, okay? And I love to go out and make sure that I have my light. Now I wanna talk about something. When you are a content creator, don't be afraid to pull up in public and have your light and your gadgets. It's a part of the game. Like it's just, you gonna be just fine. Okay, so this light, I love it. As you can see, it adds lighting to me. And the cool part is that you can literally clip it to your phone and now you get better content. All right, so this is one of my favorite things to do. I love it because it can literally just go in my purse whenever I'm traveling. And then literally you can clip it to either side, so it can be like this or it can be the other way. So literally very simple. One of my favorite tools and gadgets. Now this next tool is my handy dandy tripod, okay? But I love this tripod because it is a travel tripod. So what does it do? You see this? This is where my remote was, but it ain't there no more. But basically you can just throw this in your purse, you can throw this in your bag, and it's great because all you gotta do is you pull it out, and in the bottom you open it up. You just press this little button, you open it up, and now this tripod can sit wherever you need it to sit. So the cool thing about that is you can film either landscape like this. This is an older version, so the ones that you'll see will likely have like a mag stripe for them for iPhone if you want. The ones that I have linked in my Amazon store. But then you can also readjust it to where it's sitting like this or where it's sitting like that, okay? So I love my tripod. I actually have 2 of these as a content creator because sometimes I want to film multiple things and I got 2 phones. The next thing is a handy dandy portable charger. This is so helpful because when you're out and about, when you're traveling, you never want to, you know, run out of power. I travel a lot. I, you know, do a lot of solo travel. I actually have 2 of these. So this is my like slim one for when it's like I can put that in a fanny pack. But then I have this one. It's a brick, baby. It's a brick. Okay, now this thing right here, it will literally charge not just my phone, but it'll also charge my my laptop and things like that. So this is really, really helpful. I absolutely love and adore this because baby, I never run out of charge with this. I can have this all day long, charge multiple phones, multiple devices. It's really, really helpful. All right, so another really great tool is this here monitor. I don't have it connected right now, but it is a monitor. So what is this? Okay, so basically, you know how you have your front facing camera, that's all nice and dandy, but the back facing camera is better because, yes, look at that picture. The back facing camera is better typically on iPhones. So when you're filming, sometimes you can like not know if you're in the shot. So perfect example is like I do a lot of these videos where it's like I flip it and turn it around, but I don't always know if I'm in the shot. I can't really tell if I'm in the shot. So if you want to, I've had to learn how to get in the shot, but if you want to figure out if you're in the shot, we got this monitor that is not connected currently, sorry. But you got this monitor that connects by way of the magnet thing. And now it's like you get to see exactly what you're looking at. It basically mirrors your screen so that you know exactly what you're seeing. There's I have a smaller travel version of this one as well that you can just plug in your phone and it sits right there and you get to see what's going on, and it's nice to travel with. I have that linked in my Amazon storefront as well. Get started with content creation. And the last thing is a ring light. Now it's over there. I'm not picking it up and bringing it over here. Y'all know what a ring light looks like. But I have learned that now I use what works, right? I'm not buying a new ring light, but there's these new soft lights that will not give like this harsh light and like a ring. And so it's a circle, but it has like just one constant stream of light. I love it. I love shooting with content like that when I'm in different studios and things like that. So I linked that one also to my Amazon storefront. So if you're getting started with content creation, please don't let not having the right stuff keep you from creating content. Create with what you have, show up, do all the things, but these are gonna be tools that are gonna actually help you really grow your content creation business or your business as an entrepreneur. So if you enjoyed this, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, follow me for more, and let me know down below if you are new here. And the last thing I want to say is, if God's been telling you to create content, what are you waiting for? Bye.